Hello guys, welcome to Abdo channel. In today's video, we will get to know the details about the strings in Python. This is the agenda of today's session. How we will declare the strings, how we will represent a string, how to access each and every character of a string, how to do the string slicing, and further we will get to know how to modify a string, how to format a string, and further more details about escape sequencing and all. So without any further delay, let us start with how we can declare strings in Python. Okay, string is a group of characters or numbers or group of anything. Okay, which means that let's say for example ABC. Okay, 123. Okay, ABC 123 hash dollar. So whatever it is, we are collecting we are declaring here a group of characters, right? Which means that it is called a string. Okay, here I am declaring or I am surrounding group of characters with single quotes, right? Or I can also surround group of characters with double quotes. So a string is a group of characters which is surrounded either by single quotes or double quotes. Okay, let me print this. This is how we will assign a string to a variable. Okay, let me print str1, str2, str3. Okay, let me print this. So it is printing all the characters, right? So this is how we declare a string. We assign a string to a variable. Okay, this is about a single line string, right? There may be scenarios where we will have to use the multi-line string like this. Okay, str4 is equal to welcome to Python strings. Okay, in such scenarios, this double quotes, a single double quotes will not work out for us. In those scenarios where we have to declare a multi-line string, we have to declare it with the triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Okay, like this. Suppose if I print it now, str4, print str4. See this, welcome to Python, it is printing. Welcome to Python strings. Okay, this is, I mean, here I'm using double quotes, right? In the same way, we can also use the triple single quotes as well. Okay, like this. The output will be same. Welcome to Python strings. So that is about assigning a multi-line string and printing a multi-line string and all. So here we are seeing a group of characters, right? So there are so string is a array of characters. Okay, each character is represented as a Unicode character internally. So if you want to access a particular character, we can access that particular character by its position. Okay, let me show you this. Suppose there is a string. Okay, welcome space string. Okay, its position, w position, character's position is 0, e character position is 1, l character position is 2, till it goes on till the end of the string minus 1. Okay, if you take this string, its length is 14 characters along with this space, right? So length minus 1, as we are starting at 0, and it will, the indices will start from 0 and end index will be the length of the string minus 1. In the same way, if we start from right to left, right, here it starts from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on till minus 14. So this is how we can access each and every character by using its index from left to right, by positive index, by negative index from right to left. Okay. So here, let's say for example, I have a string here, right? str1 hello world. Okay, let me remove everything. Here, if I want to know what is there str1 of 0, okay, it is printing 0 h. Okay, I want to know what is there in second position. Okay, str1 of 2 hel. Okay, so this is about getting the character that is at the specific position from left to right. That is positive index. You can also get it by negative index as well, from right to left. Okay, like this. Okay, -1 we can use. Okay, so this is how we can access each and every element. Suppose if I want to print all elements, all characters of any string, then we have to iterate through that string. Okay, for that we have to iterate through that string, right? So for each iteration we will get a character from that string. Okay, that character I'm storing it in element variable. Here I'm printing that element. Okay, so now if I print it, what will happen? We'll see this hello world. It is printing character by character. Okay, so this is how we can iterate through a string. Okay, in the same way, if you want to know the length of the string, okay, there is a length function available. See that character, the string length is 10 characters. So the length function is used to let us know how many characters are there in that string. Okay, that is about the length function. So till now, what we have seen the string variable declaration, assignment, storing it in a variable, multi-line strings, accessing strings by for loop and by index position, and we also have seen the string length function. Now let us see, my requirement is to find out whether a particular word, okay, is present in the string or not. Okay, I want to find out whether a particular word, okay, in str1. Okay, so for this one, see this. I want to know whether the string world is present in str1 or not. Okay, it is giving me true because it found here, right? Now if I search for the capital world, it should not, because it works by case sensitive. Okay, in the same way, if I search for not in, okay, if the world not in that string, then it will return true. See this. If it is there, then it will return false, not in, because it will be negating the expression evaluation value, right? So world is there, it is negating its value, so it is giving us the false. So this is how we can find out whether a particular word is present in a string or not. Okay, so now let us go to string slicing. Okay, here we are getting characters, right? str1 of 0 or 1, str1 of 1. Here we are getting each and every character, or by for loop also we are iterating through the string, right? But I want to know, I want to extract a substring based on the given index. Okay, substring from a string. Suppose I will give some index, start index and end index on a particular string. I want to know what all characters are there in that string. Okay, let us see what it will give. See this. Now I want to see str1 of 1 colon. Colon is a slice operator here. Okay, start index and end index. What it will do, it will include the start index position but exclude the end index position. So if I give from 1 to 4, where it will start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It starts at E and it excludes 0 O here. Okay, it should give ELL. Okay, let me run it. See this ELL it is giving. Okay. So this is how we can use a slice operator to get a substring from a string. Suppose for example I am not giving any string any start index, then it starts from the zeroth index and goes till end index minus 1. Okay, what it will give we'll see. See this HELL hell it is giving, right? 0 1 2 3 4 4 it will exclude 0 1 2 3 it will give till hell. Okay, in the same way if I want to start from a particular position but I want to go till the end. Okay, now we will see. Now here I am not giving any end index. Okay, so if you want to go till the end you should not mention the end index. If you want to start from the beginning you should not mention the start index. Okay, see this it started where 0 1 2 3 4. Yeah, it started at the start index position and went on till the end of the string. Okay, this is about the string slicing. Now we will see how to modify a string. Okay, in this we'll see. Okay, str1 is there, right? Str1 is equal to hello world. Now let me try to update str1 of 0 is equal to I want to update a in the 0th position. Okay, now I'll print of str1. Okay, now let us see what will happen. See this str object does not support item assignment. So what it is saying, you cannot assign a data to the string. So strings are immutable in Python. Okay, you cannot directly update like this. So if you want to update it, you have to call few methods. Okay, whenever you call those methods also, the existing string will not be updated. Okay, let us see with an example. See, for example, here this H word I want to replace it with the capital H. Okay, str1 dot replace. Okay, there is a function available replace. It takes the character which is to be replaced. Okay, here small h I want to replace with capital H. Okay, now if I print str1, what it will print, and if I print str, okay, let me take this into str2. Okay, let me print this. Yeah, see this here. If you see str1 is not updated. Okay, str2 it's replaced with capital H character. So whenever you call any functions on a string, it is not going to update the original string. It is going to create a new string and update it. Okay, that's why strings are immutable, and for any update call, you'll be seeing a new string constant will be created. Okay, that is about updating a string. In a similar way, let's say for example, there are other some other utility functions available in string. Uh, Let me see this. Okay, okay, let me, yeah. Here I have the spaces, trailing spaces, leading spaces, right? Before the string and after the string. If I print it, it will print as it is. Okay, see this, it is printing some spaces. If I want to remove the trailing and leading spaces, there is a strip function available. Okay, if you use that strip function, okay, strip str1 dot strip. Maybe let me try this. Yes. Now if I try this, See this, it is removing those trailing and leading spaces. Suppose if I have a space in between, will that also be removed? No, it will not be removed. The strip will be removing only the leading and trailing spaces for of a given string. Okay, so that is about the strip removing the spaces. Okay, next we'll see another utility function, split. Okay, see here. Here my string is having a couple of words, right? I want to segregate, I want to split this string, okay, based on the space. Okay, whenever there is a space, I want to separate out those words into a separate list. Okay, say for example, if I print like this, what will happen? We'll see. See this. Whenever there is a space, it is treating that as a separate word and putting it into a all those words into a list. Okay, this is a list of words here. So we are storing list of words a in a collection entity here. Okay, that is about split. Okay. Again here, what will happen if you print str1, right? Print str1, again it will still be having hello world python only, because whatever the operation we do, right, it will be on the new variable, right? That's why if I print str2 see this hello world python, different words, hello world python, single word, single line. So the updated value, updated list, which is created by splitting the str1 into multiple words, is created in str2. Okay, that is about string splitting. Now let us go to string concatenation. How we can concatenate or append two strings? Okay, that we will see here. Hello world is one string, str2 python is another string. Okay, now I want to print like this, print str1 plus str2. Okay, here it will print it in a single line or not. Yeah, see this, it is printing in a single line hello world python. If you want some space also, we can mention here hello world python. So here we are concatenating two strings. Okay, that is very well fine. But if the concatenation operator is plus, okay, in the same way, if I try to use some concatenate some number here, okay, str3 is equal to number. Okay, if I try to print like this, we'll see what will happen. See this, can only concatenate str, not int to str. Okay, so we should be doing the concatenation plus operator only for the strings. If you want, if you are comparing the strings, if you are concatenating the strings, if you are concatenating both all the numbers, then you can use plus. But if you are concatenating one string and one number using plus operator, then it will not allow. So in such case, but my requirement is to print like this. Okay, hello world 123. Okay, this is my requirement. So in such cases, what we have to do is we have to do the string formatting. Okay, how we will do the string formatting, we will see. Okay, that in those cases, this concatenation will not work. Okay, string format. Okay, see here, this 123, right? This 123 is in the str3. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll try to format. Okay, str1 dot, otherwise let us take yeah, str1 dot format hello world, str1 dot format of whatever the value you want to concatenate, that variable name we have to pass it here. Okay, variable name str3. Okay, here what hello world, right? Hello world. Here we need some, yeah. Here we need that variable that 123 str3 value here, right? That's why we have to mention a placeholder here, and that placeholder value we have to pass it by calling the format function. Okay, now if I print it, what it will print, will say str1. We'll see with this example. See this hello world, str1 is still having hello world and that placeholder, but as we know it is going to create a new variable, right? So let us use the new variable only. See this hello world 123. This is how we can do the concatenation of a string and mm, number variable. Otherwise, let us see with one more example. Str is I want to order some three pizza or four pizza for so and so amount. Okay, these two are the placeholders. Okay, quantity is the number of pizza. Okay, quantity is the number of pizza, and price is the um, price of the total pizza. Okay, some 45.99. Okay, here if I use str.format, okay, str.format of qty comma price, then what it will print, we will see. Here I want to order three pizza for 45.99. See, whatever there as a placeholders, right? That will be replaced with the values which we have passed to the format function. Okay, that is about the formatting. Next, coming back to the our agenda. Yeah, we have gone through all these topics, right? Okay, let us go to the last topic, string escape sequencing. Okay, say for example, let me remove everything from here. Str is equal to, or str1 is equal to, we are called as winners. Okay, so here I want to mention this in double quotes. Okay, but the moment you try to declare the winners in double quotes, it is giving me an error here. See, this winners is not defined, it is treating that as an identifier. Okay, let us try to run it. Invalid syntax. So here we are using this double quote as a surrounding character to represent a string, but we want this winners also to be coming in the double quotes. So we have to escape it. So we have to know we have to let the Python interpreter know, interpret it as a double quote, not as a string representation, but interpret it as a double quote. In such cases, what we have to do is we have to do the escape. Okay, this is the backslash character which we have to use to escape any character by the interpreter, interpreter syntaxes. Okay, Python syntaxes. So if I print it now, see this, we are called as winners. In the same way, if you have a single code, that also we can escape it. We'll see. Okay. See this. This is my single code string. Again, the same problem comes. Right. Now I have to escape this single code here. If I print this, we are called as winners. Okay. This is about the string escape sequencing. Okay, that's all about the string utility functions and the Most of the concepts we covered about the string. There are many other built-in functions available in string, like if you want to know whether a particular string is having all digits or not, if it is a upper characters or if it is having all lower characters. If you want to convert a string to uppercase or the lowercase, all those utility functions are available in string in Python. So we can very well use those functions without any problems. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.